Welcome to our kitchen. This is where meals are prepared, ideas come to life, and where we are working towards something bigger than ourselves. Over the past few months, business has been slower than usual. After giving birth, most of my time and energy went into caring for the baby and adjusting to a new chapter of my life. Like many mothers, I found it difficult to balance family, business, and showing up consistently online. But instead of focusing on what hasn't happened, I've decided to focus on what comes next. That's why I've started this 100-day challenge to show up every day, rebuild the business, and share the journey with you. This kitchen is more than just a place where food is prepared. It is the heart of Sassy Food. It's where we create meals for customers, plan for future growth, and work towards making a positive impact in our community. One of the projects closest to my heart is the Community Table Initiative. The goal is simple: helping where we can with what we have. I believe that food has the power to bring people together, restore dignity, and remind people that they are not alone. As you watch this journey unfold, you will see the wins, the challenges, the lessons, and the progress. I'm not promising perfection, but I am committing to consistency. Thank you for being part of this journey. Whether you are here to support the business, follow the challenge, or simply see what happens next, I appreciate you being here.